Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing what to capture and why, full screen for entire content or a region for focused detail. Once decided, press print screen to copy the whole desktop, or press Windows plus Shift plus S to open Snip and Sketch for a region. Snip and Sketch lets you draw and select precisely. Make sure your keyboard responds and any sensitive windows are visible. This step starts the image in the clipboard, so you can paste or edit it immediately in another app. Once done capturing, open Paint or another editor and press Ctrl plus V to paste the clipboard image. That lets you crop or annotate quickly. If you used Windows plus Shift plus S, click the notification to open Snip and Sketch where you can annotate, crop, and then press Save. It preserves clarity as PNG. Alternatively, press Windows plus Print Screen to automatically create a file in Pictures/Screenshots for instant access. Make sure to choose PNG for crisp lines or JPG for smaller files, depending on use. To finish, confirm your image is saved where you expect. Open Pictures/Screenshots or the app you pasted into and export at the desired quality. If something went wrong, first check the clipboard by pasting into Paint. If nothing appears, make sure the print screen key is not remapped or blocked by another app. If Windows plus Shift plus S shows no notification, open Snip and Sketch manually from the Start menu. That often restores the selection tool and clears temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.